Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today I'm going to be taking a look at maxillary injury recovery or jawbone injury recovery. We'll go over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your maxillary bone. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you're suffering from an injury to your maxillary bone or jaw following an accident or incident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with maxillary, head injury and jaw injury compensation claims. Now, you may qualify for free private treatment if the circumstances which has led to you suffering from an injury to your maxillary bone was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. You won't be expected to pay anything upfront, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. The maxillary or jawbone, specifically the upper jaw, in which also forms part of the nose and eye socket, can be fractured or broken in a number of different accident types, from slips, trips and falls to road traffic accidents. And if you're suffering from a jaw injury, including pain around your jaw, ear and temple, as well as clicking, popping or grinding noises when you move your jaw, headaches around your temple, difficulty opening your mouth fully, and your jaw locking when you open your mouth, the NHS recommends a number of steps that you can take in order to ease the pain yourself, including eating soft food like pasta, omelets and soup, take paracetamol or ibuprofen, hold ice packs or heat packs to your jaw, whichever feels better, massage the painful jaw muscles, try to find a way to relax. They recommend that you do not chew gum or pen tops, do not bite food with your front teeth, do not yawn too wide, do not bite your nails, do not clench your teeth apart from when eating. Your teeth should be apart. Do not rest your chin on your hand. If pain persists, they recommend you see a GP if you're unable to eat or drink. The pain is affecting your life. The pain is affecting your sleep. The pain and discomfort keep coming back. NHS.uk advises that your GP might recommend any of the following: stronger painkillers, relaxation techniques to reduce stress, ways to improve your sleep. The GP might suggest you see a dentist if teeth grinding might be an issue, a psychologist if stress and anxiety are making your pain worse. Now, if these treatments don't help, you may be referred to a specialist in joint problems to discuss other options such as painkilling injections or surgery. Now, if you're unable to see your GP, you can also call 111, who will advise you on what steps to take. If you suspect that your maxilla is broken or fractured, you should visit A&E or call 999 immediately. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a maxillary bone injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. And if we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way in order to further aid your recovery, should you require any further treatment to help your recovery. Now, they'll be able to discuss the potential impact and effects of your injury, along with looking at maxillary fracture healing time, explain the frontal process of maxillary fracture and maxillar function, and go over facial fracture healing time. Have someone stay with you for the first 24 hours and keep a phone to hand in case any problems arise and you need medical help. Get plenty of rest and avoid stressful situations. Avoid drinking alcohol or taking illegal drugs. Avoid taking sleeping pills. sedatives or tranquilizers unless prescribed by your doctor. Take paracetamol if you have a headache, but avoid non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen or aspirin unless prescribed by a doctor. Avoid playing contact sports such as football or rugby for at least 3 weeks, and speak to your doctor before starting to play these sports again. Do not return to work or school until you have completely recovered and feel well enough to do so. Do not drive a car or motorbike, ride a bicycle or operate machinery until you have completely recovered and it's safe and legal to do so. But you should seek immediate medical attention if you develop any further symptoms of a severe head injury whilst recovering at home.